Right, well here we are at number 215 over here in South Carolina yet again. The date is the 12th of April 2023 and I'm doing a little job over by the garage. Now this boat and this engine have not been in the water for 6 months now, and that battery has been laying idle, albeit disconnected, for those 6 months. Now I've just bought a battery charger and charged it up, not that it was fully flat because it wasn't, and I'm going to start this engine. So, first thing to do is to get the cooling water running into the engine, so I've got to turn on this tap. That's the engine cooling water coming out there, you see. Here we go. See, it's coming out everywhere. Just right. Here goes nothing. Oh, hang on. Done. Next job, Osprey Marina. See if we can get a tow down, get the boat in the water for a cruise up the Waccamaw River. And it's a beautiful day here. I'll tell you what, if I still feel as I do today, in 3 weeks' time when we do to come home, I'm not coming home, I'm staying here. So there you go. I was just fed up with grey sky and rain and just doing nothing in that neck of the woods of Essex, Little Hanningbury. So here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I've just seen Ted, my neighbour, across there. In fact, I can see Ted now in his garden. He's doing some gardening. I'm going to take him out on the golf buggy later. We're going to go down and look at the new pier. There he is, cutting his grass. And the garden still looks brilliant from when I tidied it all up 2.5 months ago in January. And Ted has kept the batteries fully charged on the golf buggy, so we'll be going down to the beach for a ride a little later after I've had a cup of tea. Bye y'all!